Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply You Makeup. My name is V. In today's video, I am going to use the Cape Cosmetics again because I'm gonna try to use a couple different colors so you can see what the colors look like in case you have this palette and you're on the fence with it and you're trying to figure out if you should use it or not. I'll do a couple more colors. I'll do one eye one color, I'll do the other eye another color. So this is what we're doing today. This is it, and I am about to start. My eyes are primed. I'm not using a base, I'm using only primer. These are gonna be some short videos because I am just only trying to show you the different colors so you can make a decision if you want to use your palette or not. On this eye, which is my left eye, which is your right, I put this color and this color. On my right eye, which is your left, I put this pink right here and this pink right here. Those are the colors that I have on my eyes. I hope you like this video. If you do, please share it with someone else. And if you like the content of my videos, please consider subscribing. I would love to have you in my YouTube family. Please like, please share, please subscribe. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. And I will see you in another video. Bye. Bye, bye, bye.